In this area, which is basically the area of astronomy and science, we have a collaboration which we call the algorithm of genius. The word algorithm actually originates from an Islamic scholar whose name, of course, is famous, Al-Khwarizmi. In this collaboration, which we have over 3 different manuscripts, wonderful contributions, principally from the King Abdulaziz Public Library in Medina, from the Vatican Library, and also from the Qatar National Library, we tell a wonderful story, a story which is the essence of our understanding. Here we're telling the story of one of the most mysterious, the most esoteric concept we have, which is concept of zero, of how something can be created out of nothing. The second manuscript which we have here is from the Vatican. And here we present another incredible genius, a man that again is very well known, called Fibonacci. For 200 years, the Catholic Church refused to accept zero. And the only reason why eventually they had to accept it is because of trade. They could not compete with the Muslim traders anymore. Things were moving too fast. As for our third manuscript from the Qatar National Library, this is a translation of Al-Khwarizmi, a Latin translation of Khwarizmi, written 300-400 years later, which again shows how the ideas of Khwarizmi were transmitted from the Islamic world into the European world and how deeply thought they were. If there's one message that this collaboration shows, it's how ideas transcended culture and religions. An idea like zero, like a mathematical principle, cannot belong to any one religion, because ultimately knowledge and the truth transcends everything.